how to fix sticky buttons on an Xbox One controller. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix sticky buttons on your Xbox One controller. All right, so this is very simple. It's not that hard to do. Anybody can do it, even you. So the first thing you want to do, guys, let me tell you what you need in order to do this, to make this work. The first thing you're going to need is very simple. You're going to need some type of cleaning solution. I'm using alcohol. You don't have to use alcohol. You can do this without alcohol. As a matter of fact, you can just get anything that can clean electronics or clean plastic. So that's the first thing you're going to need. So make sure you got you some of that. The next thing you're going to need is some type of cloth. Now, a lot of people are going to go and try to do this with toilet paper. I don't recommend that you use toilet paper. You need a cloth like this because this type of cloth gets all of it, just cleans things better than toilet paper would. If you was to do this with toilet paper is going to leave like pieces of tissue behind on your controller. It's kind of like lint. So you don't want any lint. This actually cleans lint. So I recommend you use either a cotton swab or you use a ear cleaning, those ear cleaning things. Those will work too. But make sure that it's best to use a cotton, some type of cotton, okay? So that you don't leave any lint and stuff on your controller. All right, now, the next thing you're going to need is very simple. You're going to need this toolkit here, because you're going to use this in order to open up the Xbox One controller. All right, now I will have a link for this toolkit in the description of this video. You can purchase it there if you would like to. So check the links in the description for this toolkit right here. All right, now this is what you're going to need to do, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Also have you a magnet on hand, because this is where you're going to put your screws and stuff so that you don't lose them. So make sure you got some type of magnet around, or if you just want to use a cup or something to put the screws in, you can do that as well. Just make sure you don't lose your Xbox controller screws, because you want to put this thing back together. Anyway, guys, this is what you're going to do. Step one, you're going to open up your Xbox One controller, as you can see here, by prying off these two pieces on the sides. So what I use to pry that off with, I use this little tool right here. You can get this inside of this toolkit. That's why I recommend that you purchase the toolkit. It's right below in the description. But just get you this toolkit, and then it comes with this already in it. All you have to do is pry it loose, pry your controller loose just like that. Just take it off. It might be hard for some people. It might be easy. You can even stick it down in this little hole right here and then pry it up. It might be hard. Again, you got to pull on it. So take both of those pieces loose. That's the first one. Let me get the second one loose. Let's see. Just pry it open. All right, I'm going to stick it in the inside here. Like I say, guys, it might be a little hard, so you might have to pull on it a little bit. But just make sure you pry it all open like this. See how I'm going up on it? That's how you want to do it, just up like that. And should come off. Oh, let me see. Maybe I'll do the other side. Hold on. Oh, wow. I don't want to break the controller. Hold on. We got to, it's this part down here that I'm having trouble with. But yeah, just pry it open just like that, and boom. So now you have your controller open. The next thing you want to do once you have those two pieces off is take out all of these screws. You got them in the middle right there, and you got them on the sides right there. So grab your little tool. I don't know what they call this thing, but you know, T8 times 50 millimeters is what it is. You grab this and you take the screws loose on the Xbox One controller like this. Hold on. Take it loose. There it is. You put it on the magnet so that you do not lose it. All right, you do that on all 4 screws, or 5 screws. It's 5 of them. So you take it loose. I wonder why it ain't coming out. Oh, that's because it's already loose. Okay, so take this one out. Take this one out. This one on the bottom here, right here. Do the same with this side. And same up here. Take them all out. That was the hard one at first. That didn't want to come out. Anyway, there it is. Gee whiz. Anyway, you put all your screws on the magnet so that they don't get lost, because you never want to lose any screws. So you put this to the side as well so that that doesn't get lost. Now what you have is the actual controller. You take this loose like that. Now you have the whole entire, now you can see the buttons a little bit better. And you see how I got like lint in the sides there? I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like lint and stuff in there. Now, what be making the controller sticky is because of the fact that some people had dropped syrup on their controller or jelly, or you probably been eating something greasy and it got in between the cracks here, and it makes your controller sticky. And that's why a lot of people controllers be feeling very sticky. And when you're trying to play the game, it be like getting stiff on you. Is because you probably had dropped something in there that was sticky, some type of food item or anything like that. So yeah, so this is what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna clean these buttons off. You want to use these little tools and try to, make sure you pry all the lint and stuff out of there. And if it's some sticky stuff on the side, you want to scrape that off of your controller so that it can quit being sticky. All right, so that's all you got to do. Let me get the cotton swab here, and I'm just going to clean it. And then, let me see, put some of that on there. Again, guys, y'all don't have to use alcohol. Use any kind of cleaning solution that you have. But you just clean the side. See all that dirt on the side? See how I cleaned all that dirt out the side of there? And I use this little brush right here. This comes inside of this toolkit. That's why I recommend you guys get that toolkit, because it got everything you need already in there. You just pull it out and, clean it off. Clean everything out. And try to get all the way down in there, too, so that you get all of the stickiness off of the button. And use this as well. Do like this. Make sure I get it clean all the way out. You just want to wipe all the buttons and get it nice and clean. Nice and clean. Get it nice and clean. Make sure you get around there. And what I'm doing is I'm pushing hard too, guys, just so I can make sure that the dirt comes up off of there, or whatever's sticky. You want to make sure that you're actually wiping it off and cleaning it. All right, I'm gonna use this. You can blow on it just to make it, fly out of there. Use this to brush off the sides, brush any lint that's left on it. You can brush everything off with this right here. And again, you can use this even to, if the whatever's sticky on there, if it's like hard or something, you can use this to scrape it off the sides of there and clean the button that's like really sticky. All right. Now you could open the controller even more, but I wouldn't recommend you do that, because you don't want to really expose the motherboard of the controller. You don't want to accidentally hit something and mess it up. So that's why I only opened up this part, unless it was worse. If it was worse than this, I wouldn't open it all the way. But if you want to do that, then you could try it out. But I would recommend, just if it's really bad, just send it back to somebody that knows how to fix controllers. But really, this should solve the problem. You just scrape all of the stickiness off of the buttons. You make sure you clean it off. And once you do that, the buttons should work pretty good. You should be able to you know, click it and it should work pretty good. And if it doesn't work pretty good, again, it may be some stuff like deep down in there that you can't get. It's maybe some lint. You may have to take this whole black piece off because it's probably something under there that's, you know, making it stick, and you have to clean it out from the inside. But for the most part, it should just be fine. Once you use some type of cleaning solution, get you one of these and just wipe it down. Make sure the dirt is off of there. You should be good to go. All right, so again, guys, that's what you got to do. Now, for those of you who are watching this video, I want to let y'all know that I do giveaways here on my YouTube channel. I give away these free Xbox Live Gold codes. As you can see here, this is a 3-month trial. I give away Roblox on my channel as well. If you're interested in getting these for absolutely free, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that when I go live and do my giveaways, because I do my giveaways live on my channel, so that you know that it's legit. You know that it's 100% authentic. It's 100% real. And how you would know that is because when I get on live and I turn these cards around, I scratch off the back of them live. So whoever puts it in their console, whoever redeemed the code first, that's the person that got the giveaway. And that's how this works. So if you're interested in getting one of these for free, be sure to subscribe. Hopefully this video was very helpful. And again, check the links in the description for this toolkit here. You'll find it in the description. Go ahead and get that so that you can open up your controller very easy and, you know, do what you got to do to clean off the gunk and stuff like that. I will be making more videos similar to this. So again, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this is one more thing I almost forgot to show you guys. In order to put the controller back together, it's very simple. You just throw this back on the top of the controller, smash it down, make sure that it's all in there, it's nice and tight. Make sure your buttons are working, make sure they're not sticky. This one is getting blocked. Hold on, by the bottom here. Yeah, it's the bottom part, but you basically make sure you put this back on there. You close it up by, once you got both pieces on there, you put all the screws back inside of the controller. You throw these 2 pieces back on there. Let me see. Throw these 2 pieces back on there. You good to go. You put the batteries in there and you should be good to go. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, that's all you do to clean out the buttons. And then you can clean it furthermore. Once you put this back on, I would recommend you put some more alcohol on here and just wipe them down even more just to make sure that they, you know, working pretty good. But this is how you clean a sticky Xbox One controller. Be sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.